is a highly requested video. It is the government jobs for diploma people. That is for diploma electronics people. What are the government organizations in which they can apply for? So I have listed some 20 plus government organizations in which you can apply, which is actually offering a decent salary. Okay, so you can find various jobs, especially for diploma persons. You don't require a GATE exam or GATE score or anything. You can apply for a lot of job openings. If you search over the internet, you can find. Anyway, I have included some 20 plus organizations in this video. So I really hope that it will be useful for you for your career development or your career start. Okay. So the first organization I have included is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay. So in Indian Space Research Organization, it is not organizations, it is organization. Okay. So it is ISRO. A lot of locations, that is branches, are there for ISRO. If you search over the internet, you can find that a lot of sub branches are there for ISRO, and all these sections are actually recruiting for diploma technical assistance. That is the position. Okay, that is a job post. So I've not included all the locations but the famous ones. Okay, so for Indian Space Research Organization, VSSC, LPSC, SDSC, SHAR, ISAC, SAC, NRSC, IIRS, NISAC, MCF, HSFC, which is actually belong to URSC, then IPRC. Actually, we are doing some preparation classes for some locations out of this also. So you know that all these locations are recruiting for technical assistance, for which the diploma people can apply, and the salary they are offering is 44,000 and above. So you can sum it up as 40,000 and above. Okay, and generally the selection process for technical assistant, or sometimes they'll be calling as technicians. Most commonly the job post is technical assistant only. Okay, and the selection process includes written test, skill test, and interview. Okay, so for all the organizations which I have listed out here, there will be there will be a written test, and also 90% there will be skill test also. Since these are government organizations, they will be conducting skill test, and sometimes interview will be there, sometimes it cannot be, based on the marks also, it depends. And also the salary offering is in between the range of 25,000 to 40,000. It can vary, or you can say it from 20 to 40,000. Okay, so that is the range of salary which you can see in these organizations. Okay, so that is the first one, which is ISRO. Not just ISRO, a lot of job openings for various locations are there. So that is the first one. Second one is NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India, and the salary offering is 24,000, that is 24,012, and plus allowances will be there. So sum up, you can say it as 25,000 and above. Okay, and also these salaries I have actually obtained from the recruitment notifications and all. It can vary sometimes, and sometimes they'll be calling as apprentice post, and in the training period they'll be giving you some training, and over the training period you will be obtaining the stipend, which will be some 7,000 or 8,000 rupees, and after this training you may get the permanent job, and from that time, from the time you get posted as permanent, you will be obtaining the actual salary. Okay, so that can also be the way of recruitment. Okay, so training, then permanent selection, that way also the recruitment happens. The next one is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Salary offering is 35,420 per month. Then fourth one is Baba Atomic Research Center. Again, it also belongs to the category of ISRO. Then the salary is almost same, 40,000 and above, you can sum it up. Okay, the next organizations are, fifth one is IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Salary is 25,000 above. So this salary, I'm telling it once again, is from the data available over the internet. So salary is actually given in detail in the notification. So when the recruitment is out, they'll be giving a notification on the site. In that, you can find the salary. So the salary generally seen will be in the range from 20,000 to 40,000. So for the organizations like ISRO, they'll be giving a high package. Okay, so it will be in 40,000 range. Okay, so next is Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. Salary is 22,000 and above. Seventh one is Steel Authority of India Limited. Salary offering is 25,000 and above. Eighth one is Bharat Electronics Limited. The salary offering is 30,000 and above. Then for BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, salary is given as 4.8 lakhs per annum. Okay, so per annual salary they have given. Then 10th one is Gas Authority of India Limited. The salary offering is 25,000 and above. Okay, so these are the some other organizations. Again, I'm telling the recruitment happening is first there will be a written test, then there will be skill test, then they'll be conducting interview. Sometimes there won't be interview, but the written test and skill test is generally seen for all recruitments, okay, for the government organization. The next organization is Electronics Corporation of India Limited. The salary is 19,058, or you can sum it up as 20,000 and above. Then Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, salary 20,000 and above. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, or BSNL, salary is 36,439, or you can say it is about 35,000. Then National Informatics Center, salary offering is 22,000 and above. The next organizations are DMRC, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, and GMRC. Salary ranges from 33,000 to 1 lakh. In between this range is the salary. Okay, then next one is NTPC, which is National Thermal Power Corporation. Salary offering is 2.3 lakhs per annum. Okay, so the 17th one is NTPC, and the educational qualification you require to apply to this organization, since they are government organizations, the requirement is 60% marks you should have in your diploma. Okay, so that is the 17th one. The next government organization or the next sector is AFCAT, that is Air Force Common Admission Test. And in Air Force, you can, that is if you are a diploma candidate, you can apply for the flying branch or as airman only. Generally, the ground duty technical posts are requiring a qualification of BTech or MTech. Okay, post graduation, most commonly, or graduation or BTech you require. You cannot apply in general case if you are a diploma candidate. Okay, so that is the case, and you can apply as airman or for the flying branch. Sometimes this airman or for flying branch, they'll be calling +2 qualification or above. So then you can apply, and the salary offering is 40,000 to 45,000, in that range. The next one is Power Grid Corporation of India, and the salary offering is 20,000 and above. And the other exams which you can apply for is RRB for Railway Recruitment Board and SSC, and also you can crack the bank exams, bank clerk, then the PSU exams, which respective states will be conducting. You can also apply for those government job also. Okay, so these are the various organizations which I have included in this video. I've tried to include most common or most famous ones which are of decent package, which are offering a decent package. I've tried to include it in this video. So I really hope that you found this video useful. So I would like to tell the qualifications once again. So you require a 60% marks in your diploma, and the recruitment is conducted as first there is a written test. There will be 99% written test. If there is no written test or anything, then they'll be giving you some training, and after that training only you get qualified to be selected as permanent or not. Okay, based on your performance during the training period, you will be set as permanent or not. Okay, and during the training period you'll be getting only stipend. Okay, so that is the case. In other case, if the recruitment is happening, then there will be a written test, there will be a skill test, and interview may be or may not be present. Okay, so that is the recruitment details, and the salary range is from 20,000 to 40,000. It can vary. Okay, so I really hope that you found this video useful. I was actually receiving a lot of requests to do video for the government jobs for diploma people. A lot of people is trying. It is a lot of diploma people is trying to get into government sectors these days. A lot of recruitment is actually happening. So you please note this names of this organization and try to see their websites. They'll be calling when they are calling for diploma technicians or diploma technical assistant posts. They'll be giving the notification, and in that case you can apply. So please have a regular check on this website. Okay. So I really hope that you found this video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share this video with maximum of people who is preparing for government sectors who has diploma qualification. Okay. And also tell them to subscribe. And if you want more videos, you also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.